Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Okay, now we go to third part of the chapter 4, which is a cross read. Okay, this is a very important. Why cross reads is very important? Let's see. They give you two quotations. For example, RM against USD and RM against pound. But the question not ask you about the value of RM against USD and the value of RM in pound. But the question will ask you what are actually the value of USD and in pound. Yeah. So uh, okay guys, for cross rate, actually we have three types of cross rate. Yeah. Before we go to a methods of calculation of these three types, what is cross rate actually? Like I said earlier, cross rate is exchange rate between the two currencies pair when they are quoted against one common currency. What is common currency? After this, I will explain. Yeah. Okay. Three methods of calculation. Three types of calculation. We have three types. One is one unit site. One unit site. The second one is many unit site, and the third one is both sides. Okay, this is the example for a common currency in one side. Why we call it as a one side? Yeah. Okay. Um, in a cross rate, we must have actually two quotations. Two quotations. Yeah. If you can see here, we have USD against pound, and the second one is RM against pound. Okay, what are the differences in between these two quotation? What the first quotation in between USD and pound, and the second quotation in between RM against pound. Okay, uh, for these two quotations, what are actually the currency that they are repeating a second time? In these quotations, in the first quotation, we have USD pound, and the second quotation, we have RM pound. So means we have two pounds here. If that currency we repeat it again, or for these two quotation have that currency, means pound already have in the first quotation and also pound have in the second quotation, so we naming is as so we name pound as a common currency. Yeah, why we call it as a one unit site? If the common currency we put it at the back, so means if this pound we read at the end of the quotation, and the second quotation also pound at the end of the quotation. So it's explained this common currency is one unit site. So we will find what are actually USD in RM or RM in USD. Okay guys, how we are going to calculate when the question asks you what are the value of RM in USD or what is actually the value of USD in RM. So like I said earlier, why this one is one side, because the common currency, which is a pound, at the back of both quotation. Now, for us to calculate RM in USD or USD in RM, we need to use this formula. We need to find the bid price is bid home currency divided with us home currency. Sorry, us foreign currency, and to find the us price as home currency divided with the bid foreign currency. How we are going to identify what are actually the home currency, what are actually the foreign currency? Okay, by looking at this quotation, you need to rank first what are the strength followed with what are the weak currency. By looking at this quotation, I rank it since this USD started with the 1 and RM started with 4, so means the currency, the strong currency is pound. Yeah, the strong currency is pound, followed with since RM and USD start with 1 and followed with USD, and the weak currency definitely is RM. So since I said the pound is the common currency, so we just ignore the common currency. Yeah, we just ignore the common currency. Why we need to ignore? Because I don't want to find what is a pound, I want to find the USD and RM. So since RM is the weak currency, so RM will be the home currency. Yeah, the home currency is the weak currency, and USD will be the foreign currency. So guys, so I put it at, in the formula for me to find the bid price for a 1 unit site. So I look at the quotation, bid home currency. Since RM is my home currency, I take the bid for RM 4.9536. Yeah, then I divide with the AS foreign currency. My foreign currency is USD, but I take the AS one. Yeah, 1.1195. So I will get the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now I want to compute what are the ask price. So I take the ask home currency. I go to the RM. So I take ask 4.9554, and then bid foreign currency. I go to USD 1.1181. So I will get the ask for this 1 unit site is 4.4321. So I rewrite it again in the formula. I rewrite again in the right quotation. I put it since this is a bit, so I put it as a 4.4248 slash 321 slash USD. Okay, now I go to the second site, which is a many unit site. So if, like I said earlier, 1 unit site, we see the common currency at the back, but for a many unit site, we see the common currency up front. Yeah, why RM is a common currency? Because these two quotation, we see the RM, this one is RM USD, and this one is RM pound. Yeah, if you see this common currency, we put it at the front of the quotation. So you need to use the formula for many unit site. So definitely we are going to find what is actually the USD over pound, or pounds against USD. So we need to use this formula, yeah, untuk to find the bid and also to find the. Okay, now please tell me what is the common currency for this money side. Okay, all right. The common currency for this quotation is RM. Why RM? Because we can see RM in both quotation. Yeah, so RM. So if you look at the quotation, yeah, RM against USD and RM against pound, you need to identify what are actually foreign and what is actually the home. So if you want to convert RM against USD, you just need 3.0524. But if you want to convert RM against pound, you need extra more, 4.9536. Like I said earlier, you need to put your weak currency as a home and the strong currency as a foreign in between USD and pound. So we know that by looking at this quotation, we know that the weak currency is USD, and then the foreign currency is pound. Okay. Okay, now we put it in the formula. We want to find the bid price, yeah? So we take the bid foreign currency. What is a foreign? Is a pound. So we look at the pound quotation take the bit. So I take the bit 4.9536. Yeah. So I divide with the as home. What is my home? USD. So I look at the USD quotation. I take the as one 3.0540. Okay, so I will get this answer. So how about the ask price? I take the ask foreign currency pound, yeah, ask foreign currency. I take 4.9554 divide with a 3 bid for it bid home 3.0524. Yeah, so I get this as 1.6234, and then since I know that my home is USD, so I get the answer starting with the 1. So I know that the USD is more weaker than a pound, so it's supposed to start with a more than 1. So I write again USD 1.6220 slash with 34 slash with pound. Okay, now we go to third types of the common currency, which is a both side. Yeah, uh, one side the common currency at the back of the quotation, many side the common currency at the front of the quotation. But for both side, one at the back and another one at the front of the quotation, like this example. Yeah, so you can see these are M against USD and USD against pound. So the common currency here is USD. So when you look at this quotation, you see the common currency one at the back and one at front. So that one is referring to the both side. So you need to use this formula: bid home times bid foreign as home times with as foreign. So now you want to calculate for both sides. Yeah, so you need to identify the common currency. What are actually the common currency for both sides? So common currency is a USD. Why? Because we can see USD at both quotation, and then we need to identify. So in between RM and also pound, what is the strongest one? So definitely the pound is the strongest compared to the RM. So pound will be the foreign and RM will be the home. So the formula for both side bid times bid. So we take the bid home, which is 3.0524, and then we take the bid foreign, which is 1.1181. Yeah, so you will get the 3.4129. So we go for us, we take the us for a foreign, which is a 3.0540, and then as for a foreign, which is 1.1195. So you will get 3.419. So just check out your answer. You must make sure that your bid must smaller than your ask. If you get your bid is greater than ask, so something not right with your calculation. Yeah. So you need to rewrite again in your alright quotation. So just put RM 3.4129 slash 90 slash pound. Okay, till then, that's only about the cross rate. Yeah, just recap. We have a three type of cross rate: one side, many side, and both side. Okay, I really hope that you guys understand it, and we will continue a further discussion on the tutorial question in our class. Thank you very much.